Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane forklift parts along with propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in the Toyota LPG kit. Alright, this covers the model numbers the 01, the 02, the 2FG, the FGC, it's the FCG 32, 35, 40, and 45. Now this has the 6-cylinder 2F/3F engine. We're going to show you two different version kits on it. The KC kit, which is a kit complete, which is for basically a truck that's on gasoline and you need everything to switch it over. So it'll come with your tank brackets all the way to your carburetor. The only thing it does not come with is the actual LP bottle itself. Now on the KP kit, basically that's just a partial kit where you're refreshing up under the hood. So you'll get all your new carburation, everything to update that. So we'll go ahead and show you what's in that kit. Okay, now this is what's going to come in the KC kit. Now you'll get your brackets to hold the LP bottle itself. You'll get your latches, your locating pin, all your hardware for mounting that. You'll get your water hose, your vapor hose, the vacuum hose, and also your LPG high pressure hose. You'll get your regulator assembly with its lock off, all the hardware for that, the brackets for mounting that. You'll get your fittings for tying in for your water, your fuel pump cover plate and cover gasket, your hose clamps, hardware for that. You even get, we give you pipe compound, tie straps. You'll get your connections to the tank itself. You'll also get your bulkhead that mounts to the counterweight. And obviously the most crucial part about this to make this kit fit for the Toyota is the carburetor. All right. Now this is designed to fit the 2F, 3F engine that we talked about. All your linkage will be done for you. The only thing we don't do is we don't drill the hole here because they had a lot of different sizes. So we'll leave that up to you to drill. But everything will come pre-assembled. It's got your return spring on it. You'll get your intake gasket, your fittings, all that. So that's your most crucial part about the whole kit. Now as far as the partial kit, obviously you will not get your brackets for holding your tank. You will not get your latches or locating pin. You will not get your bulkhead assembly or your connections to the tank, but you'll get everything else under the hood to replace what you have. So that's basically what comes into the two style kits. Alrighty, that shows you what comes in the two style kits. Basically, again, we got the KC and the KP kit. If you're interested in purchasing them kits from us, you can go to our website at pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I hope this video helps. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.